Second picture is it's Neptune. It's wrong. No passing will be there. So which planet it is? You have to name the planet. Which planet it is?
Moon.
It's not moon. You have to name. It is a planet. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹ ಅದು? ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹ ಅದು? ಆ ಗ್ರಹದ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಚಂದ್ರಗ್ರಹಣ.
It's wrong. Next, open the second picture. ಹಾ, ಆ ಗ್ರಹದ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ತೆಗೆಲ್ರ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಈಗ ನಡೆದದ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ
ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹ? You have to show your first picture. So which planet it is?
Jupiter.
Very good, it's right. Jupiter. 10 points for A team. You have to open the second picture.
Mars.
Yeah, it's right. Mars. By this, we complete our second round, that is identifying the picture round.
After the completion of second round, Sudhyana National Public School has got 75 points and B team has got 30 points, C team has got 20 points.
Let's start with our third round. As I said, before starting the quiz competition, I have announced you the rounds of the competition. So do you remember what is the third round? What is the third round? It is concept based, means science round, which was D team. The first question for the C team is, what is the process called when a liquid turns into a solid? ದ್ರವ ರೂಪದಿಂದ ಘನ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಏನೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ? ದ್ರವ ರೂಪದಿಂದ ಘನ ರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಏನೆನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ? Time up. It will be passed to A team. Yeah, it's right. Freezing. But 5 points for the A team as it is a past question. The next question is for A team. Which eclipse happens when the moon gets in between the earth and the sun? ಚಂದ್ರನು ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಡುವೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹಣ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ?
Full moon day.
Yeah. Which eclipse you have to that? Pass. There will be no chance given. Once only you have to answer. ಚಂದ್ರನು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಡುವೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹಣ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? There will be no extra time because it is a past question. ಗ್ರಹಣ.
ಚಂದ್ರಗ್ರಹಣ.
ನೋ. ಚಂದ್ರನು ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ನಡುವೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಮಾನವನ ದೇಹದ ತಾಪಮಾನವನ್ನು ಅಳೆಯುವ ಸಾಧನ ಯಾವುದು? 20 seconds will be given. ತಾಪಮಾನ ವಸ್ತು. ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುವಿನಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮಾನವನ ದೇಹದ ತಾಪಮಾನವನ್ನು ಅಳೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ? Time's up. It will be passed to C team.
Stethoscope.
ತಾಪಮಾನವನ್ನು ಅಳೆಯುವುದು. It will be passed to A team.
Thermometer.
Very good, it's right. Thermometer. 5 points for A team. The next question is for C team. Which is the largest organ in human body? ಮಾನವನ ದೇಹದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಂಗ ಯಾವುದು? ಮಾನವನ ದೇಹದ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಂಗ ಯಾವುದು? ಅಂಗ.